So okay, I think we live now. Yeah, it's working. So today we'll be working on a self-destruction button. Like, yeah, it sounds pretty epic, and actually it is. But the thing actually is that this button is actually working right now. If I just press it and you self-destruct. But we have a lot of things to do with this stuff. So let's start, but at first let me explain one thing what we have. One pretty interesting bug, like okay, it's not a part of bug, but when I press the right mouse button I get to like that, getting destroyed. It should not be like this. It's not intended feature. Okay, so we need to put here a branch for this, and we need to get a player. Just get a player, get reference to the player is menu open. Yeah, this is how it's called. And if its menu is open, this side menu what I showed you, this is now will work. Now I'm pressing buttons, and if I press this button I get destroyed. So yeah, now it's working. So and now we need to actually make it a little bit nice, this thing. Let's work a bit with the material of this. Where is it? Okay, yeah, I need to okay, I need to get a material. Radial menu instance. Okay, so the chosen color I will use more like a purple one. Let's choose more like more into bluish, or like this color. It's much better, and for opacity let's make it more rough. Okay, let's see how this looks like. Yeah, it's looking pretty much like the same. But if I set opacity to 1, what will happen? Okay, it's transparent anyways for some reason. Okay, I think this have to do with the opacity of this thing. So let's set to 0.8 maybe. Set to 0.8. Okay, let's okay, it's too much transparency here. Okay, tint is So let's make this a fully opaque. Okay, yeah, it's very on top of each other. So let's make it more like a grayish color. Maybe let's make it a little bit dark. Mm-hmm. So, okay. I need to get this color palette to work. So, okay, let's set this fill color to 0.8 in opacity, make it a little bit more transparent. This light will be a little bit transparent. Okay, with the colors, I don't know about that. Okay, let's okay, let's just copy some colors. Okay, let's for fill color, let's use this bluish. I actually like this color, it's pretty nice. But let's set transparency put 0.6. For this chosen color, let's go with I don't know, maybe with a white color. And active color will be like light bluish. A bit light. Let's set 2.5 and let's see. Okay, now it's too bright actually. It's too bright. let's make it a bit dark. Okay, 0.5 and 0.2. Choose the color to this purple, to this purple one. This like a purple one. Okay, no, I don't. Let's go back to what was before. Okay, what if we're back to it was before? You like? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's go just to what it was before. And that maybe we'll play a little bit with the opacity. 0.8. Just play a little bit with the opacity. Yeah, this will work. Okay, so for the rest of the buttons, we need to assign something to that. Something to this. Maybe some quick controls, like turn off audio. Okay, self-destruction, hide. Okay, let's think. It's definitely not for switching mode. But let's think about what I can use it for. But before that, let's actually set up this thing that we can use this side menu with a weapon when we pick up a weapon. Because when we pick up a weapon, we kinda can use this, but it's kind of buggy. So for this, we need to go back to my old project and see how I done this. Because I actually made this function a long time ago, like 4, 5, 6 months ago, like in the summer, the beginning of the summer, probably. And I know that we need to go to animation blueprint, because I can do this. Okay, like we need to blend these two poses. And blend two poses with not LDS, but with the usual pose right here. Okay, let's move this down here, and for this we need actually this node which is called layered per bone. And we just need to get this, and then we need to get this unarmed pose. maybe unarmed pose final. Yeah, probably this. Unarmed pose final, we need to get this, and basically this should work now. Probably. This will probably now work. Or not. No, actually we need to let this time actually add to this to animation blueprint itself. Okay, let me remake this. So just need to go to this pose and add and then this open menu pose. Okay. Make this two-sided connection. We get this if the menu open. I will go back to if not menu is not open. Not boolean. So now this should work. Oh, except when I add this animation. Okay, here we okay, yeah. I already have this animation set up, so let's try it out. Okay, when I press a menu, yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, getting a lot of errors. Okay, I think I need to disable here. This final, and here I need actually to check one more thing at this point. Even before this, you need to actually check is this menu open or it is not open. Okay, not boolean. I'm just getting it here, and if it's open, okay, and if it's open, we just get this pose without this weapon sway or like wiggle and stuff. Like, yeah. Run it. Okay, now this should work. Okay, now we interact this. Yeah, now it's working. Here we go. Kinda. Now it's kind of working. I just need to change animation a little bit. I just need to modify this animation. Where is it? Okay, here it is, and we just need to rotate the hand a little bit. Yeah, this hand, yeah, it's pretty weird pose for this hand. So let's just move it down here, like a little down, and here, just in case. And duplicate. Yeah, now this will be perfect. Okay, and now I don't need this one actually. Okay, let's test it out. Like, let's try out this. Okay, animations haven't exported for some reason. Oh no, a bunch of errors for some reason. I get a bunch of errors for some reason. But now it's working. Yeah, this can happen sometimes. So now this is working. Okay, on F, and this is working too. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Transition. Okay, maybe it's not as nice. Okay, it needs to be like much faster. Okay, let's change actually a speed a little bit. How can I do this? Actually, in this state machine. Do I have some properties? Do I rate start position? Text. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT this question. Okay, for this actually we use bin chat, but whatever. So let's go to bin chat and ask how I can change a blending speed of animation in a state machine in Unreal Engine. Okay, so let's think. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so how can I do this? Okay. So I have a play rate. Play reverse sequence. Okay, do I have here some blending? Some blending stuff. Because it's a little bit too slow to actually blend between this animation. Like it's a little bit slow. let's actually loop this animation. I don't know why it's not looping for some reason. Oh, hello. Hello. So... Yo, hello. Yo. So, okay, we set up this one, and with the blending speed I need to think about that for a bit. So, how can I change a blending speed on a state machine? That's a question. That's a good question. Oh, hello. Okay, of course, you can ask a question. Like, I'm pretty curious what question you have. What question did you have? So, okay. Blending. Okay, maybe I need... For this, I just need to create a sequence. Okay, could you please tell me the workflow of animation from scratch? So, okay, yeah, it's pretty easy. Oh, at least it sounds pretty easy. Like, the first to create a character, the second you rigging this character, creating this character rig. Actually, I can show you some stuff. So at first you're creating this like character model. Let's hide this. You're creating a character model. In this case, it's a first person character. It's just arms and hands of the character. And then you're creating the rig in the Blender or whatever software you're using, but I think probably using Blender. So, and then you're creating animations. Like, yeah. And then you assign all of this stuff. I'm pretty sure you can find some tutorials on YouTube about that stuff. But you asking actually more about workflow. So then I go into animations, creating this using action editor, creating these all animations. Creating some cool animations. Like this one. How it's 140 seconds. Okay, and creating some cool animations. And for this actually I set up this window. It's pretty cool window, like it's showing you in this perspective of the player. This is actually pretty convenient stuff. Like you just get in the camera and place it at the 0 point. And then you actually set this to perspective. I don't know which is in which one you set to perspective, and field of view is 90 degrees. Or you change it to field of view in your game specifically. And then you're just animating. And for this actually I'm using an engine, as you saw. And I have a plugin which is called Send to Unreal. And for this you just need to like put everything that you can, what you want to export into this export folder. Animations is included here too. And animations too. So you just click this button and then you go to settings dialog if you want to change some settings, of course. And here you input in your file path to the folder if you want like some convenience, like some folder structure, this kind of stuff, and you just press and push assets. And here I have all animations what I need. It's pretty convenient stuff. And you just save this. And then you build an animation blueprint, all this kind of stuff. But yeah, it is basic. This is my basic workflow. It's not entirely mine, but like I learned this along the way of making this game. And I like actually made a lot of animations, like these ones, and these Okay, it's not a lot, but yeah, this is how it's working. Something like this. I think I answered your question. But like anyways. So how I can fix this issue? I just first copy this thing. And let's make this for mods too. Let's just paste it. Okay, if it's menu open, we just open in this menu. Just yeah, sounds pretty easy, but it's not as easy actually. But it's really logical. So yeah. Okay, now I know. Using F to pick up some stuff like here. Yeah. Of course, I need to actually go back and add this thing here too. No, yeah. Okay. Okay, so okay, now this should be working. It should work. It should work, I think. And yeah, here we go. Yeah, it's a little bit slow. I don't know about that. The question how I can change this thing. They have this audio. What is this actually? What is that thing actually? Okay, blueprint event. Yeah, it's interesting stuff. So how can I let's go back and pass American animation graph apply to animation. No. I need to change blend. Animations, please. Okay, what's your PC specs? Okay, actually, yeah, it can be a little bit controversial, but I have a laptop, not a PC, not a desktop computer, desktop. So about specs, actually, this is RTX 2060 and Ryzen 7 4800H, yeah, something like that, and 16 gigs of RAM, 500 gigabytes of SSD storage, and 1 terabyte of hard drive. It's pretty nice, I think. It's like pretty good, like yeah, I can run this game engine at 120 FPS, like I can't complain about that. Now it's actually FPS limit, but like I can set max FPS to like 120, or how it is called. Okay, let's launch this. If max. Where is it? I need the max. I don't know how it's called, but yeah, here it is. Just FPS limit, whatever. Okay, animation is still playing. Play rate of animations, what do you... Okay, yeah. Oh, here we go, this is what I need. Animation setup, okay, blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, comment. Okay, animation assets, blah, blah, blah. Understate, okay, yeah. Details, okay, it's name is native selected states, which is it? Entered state event. Oh. Okay, it's pretty nice. Oh, like 1650. Like, yeah, no, I don't know. It's Asus ROG Strix G15. Oh, yeah, I know what you're talking about this laptop. No, it's actually a pretty nice laptop, I think. My project crashes often. Of course, it depends on the scale of a project, actually. And of course, you can have like a bad optimization in the game. Like, I made a lot of progress in terms of optimization, like it's now running at 120 FPS, like in editor easily. Not easily, maybe 90 FPS easily. But the thing is, actually I turn off a lumen and nanite, temporary super resolution, and all of these new features of Unreal Engine 5, I just turn off all of them. And now it's running like pretty nice, like solid 90 FPS in all levels. But before that I kind of like getting like 60 FPS, like pretty close. That can be actually a problem with optimization, like really. Maybe there is not enough VRAM for the game, I don't know. I don't know, actually. Some people play it with the 2 gigabytes of VRAM and the game haven't crashed it. Of course, it's maybe related with the project itself, I think. One between your states. Okay. Transition rules. Okay, let's see. How can I change the speed between that one? Oh, wait, we actually have a settings for this. Oh, here we go. I found it. I found this. Just what I needed. So, in physics blending, we just need to set to 0.1 second. Like, here we go. I just found this thing. Like, I never opened this menu, this details menu of this transition. Like, every day learning something new, so. Okay, it's like really nice. Okay, yeah, now I can change this blending speed between these variations. Okay, it's now it's pretty snappy. And now I like this. Okay, I'm getting a bunch of errors. Actually, I need to fix it. Fix some of these errors. Now let's see. Okay, let's go to unarmed and actually decrease this blending speed. Okay, it's yeah, now it's pretty nice now. Okay, I learn now. At this stream I learn new stuff about new engine actually. Like every single day what I do pretty much actually. How exciting this tool, like you can every single day for years can learn something new. You can learn new stuff, so which is I love this stuff, to learning new stuff and to become better game developer, better and managing people in the future. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, it's now really snappy. I like this one. But yeah, now when I start to spamming this button, it's like yeah, it's pretty yeah, I need to fix it. So, but before that, what you can assign to these buttons? That's a question. What should I assign to each of them? Okay, and death event, the second one is which one? The second action. Which one I can? Which one will be? Stop time. Okay, yeah, this will be a question for the future. This will be a good question for the future version of me. What I will put into this stuff. So, okay, I have two powers. So I think this will be it. So like, thanks for watching this stream, who is watching this stream. So thanks you a lot, and yeah, thank you. And if someone want to, you can actually join our Discord server, and actually can from there I can actually answer some of your questions. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.